Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will show you how we can allow guest access to Microsoft Teams from Admin Center. Please note that you must be global administrator of your account so that you will be able to change these settings. So let's log into Office 365 with an admin account. Okay, let's go to Admin Center. And after going to admin center, we have to go to Teams admin center. So show all, scroll down and click on Teams. It will take some time to load. Okay, now let's find guest access setting. Go to organization wide setting and go to guest access. From here we can allow guest access in Microsoft Teams for our whole tenant, so that user will be able to add guests or message to guests from their Microsoft Teams. Save. Okay. Now let's verify the setting. Let's go to Teams, join or create Teams. Let's create Teams and try to add guest into Teams. Name your Teams. Okay. Teams created. Now I will type my external Gmail here. So let's try. Okay. Select, click add, close. See, now two guests are here in this Teams group. One is mine and second I have added